I start with? Where do we go from here? Let's start with the man who calls himself the bull of MLM. Dominick Izzo, or however you say his name. Retired cop, the bull of MLM, published author, rants of Izzo Show, Wing Chun Kung Fu. This man is one of the most misogynistic people I think I've ever met. Let's look at a few things he's said. Here's one. If you're weak in mind, cry, it's a scam. If you're undisciplined, cry, it's a scam. If you're lazy, cry, it's a scam. If you have no drive, cry, it's a scam. If you're a quitter, cry, it's a scam. If you're a fucking loser, cry, it's a scam. It's a scam is the war cry of those who hate themselves for their own failure, but need to blame it on something else. These are one of those people that you can't have a conversation with. You can't talk to them.
Yes, you can. 708-982-0974. 708-982-0974. Julie Joe, thank you for doing the video on me. I appreciate that. Consider this my formal invitation to come on my content, come on your content, do live, do everything you possibly can to prove the lie that I'm spreading about network marketing and MLM so that people should know and discern properly never to do business with me again. If I'm as horrible as you are, or you made me out to be in this video, please talk to me. I'll have a conversation with you very civilly, and I would love for you to wind up getting your points across to see if they are in conflicting ideologies of mine. Thank you for the content. Hope you accept the invitation. Have a